Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Structural. Today we will learn how to find the stream frequency and stream density in ArcGIS. In my previous video, I have shown you how to create the stream order. I will give the links in my description. You can also watch how to create the stream order. In this video, I will focus on stream density. Okay, so let's get started. These are the morphoric parameters. In this, you can calculate the stream density. For stream density, drainage density, we have to calculate the length of the streams and area of the basin. So, open the ArcMap. In ArcMap, in ArcMap, I have already loaded the default raw DEM. This is the raw DEM, and from the raw DEM, I have calculated the flow direction and flow accumulation, and this is the water set for this particular location I have calculated. Okay, now we will open the arc toolbox and open the raster calculator. In my raster calculator, there is a box showing below the map algebra expression, but in my arc map is not showing, so there is no problem. We will click the flow accumulation, double click on the flow accumulation which is greater than 10,000. It means 10,000 cells. Okay, now click OK. When you click the OK, your raster calculator is now running. These are the streams created using this is the 1 having the streams and 0 having the null value. So now we will convert raster to polyline. This is the raster. We will now convert into polyline. As you can see, your raster is converted into polylines. Now we will clip the polylines inside the water set. So go to geoprocessing and click and select the input feature. Input feature is my streams and my clip feature is water set. By clicking in environment, you have to select the mask. Mask is my water set. Click OK. As you can see, your raster is now clipped. This is your main stream. In my stream order video, I have shown how to create the stream orders of different using the stellar method. Okay, open the arc toolbox and now click on the line density. In line density, you have to insert the polyline features. When you click the open attribute table of the polylines, grid codes showing the stream order. So we will select the population field as a stream order, grid code. This is the output cell and this is the search radius. We will keep as a default, optional. Click OK. Okay, there is problem again. We will do. Go to the line density. We have to set the environment also. Select the polyline, grid code, and in environment, select the mask. Raster analysis. We have to select the mask. This is my water set. Okay. Processing extent. Select is raster. Then click on the OK. Then only stream density will show inside the water set. Otherwise, okay. Now my stream density is now calculated. This is the stream showing the higher density, and lighter density having the lighter color. Now we will using the symbology, I will make as a class 5. Only we will take as a class 5 and select the proper color. We will select this color. Okay. We will use the hillside effect also. We can also reduce the class. As you can see, your higher density is showing the deeper blue, and red, this color is showing the lower density. To calculate the stream density, we have to find the stream length and then basin area. When you click the water set, I have added one field, area in square kilometer, and by adding the field, this field will be added, and right click on it and calculate geometry. In calculate geometry, you have to set in the projection coordinate system PCS and select the square kilometer. When you click the square kilometer, your area will be calculated. This is the your major polygon. So this is my area, 9391 square kilometer. Now I have to find the length of the streams. The right click on open attribute table, and in this we have to add one field to calculate the length in kilometer. Length in kilometer. Select as a double and click OK. As my UTM is set, right click on it. This is my PCS. I will select in kilometer. Now my length is calculated. I will find the statistic. This is the sum value, 2489 kilometer. I will copy and paste in my calculator and divide with the, in this formula, drainage density is LU by area. This is my length. I will divide with my catchment area, 9391. 9391 and equal. This is my drainage density. In this way, you can calculate the drainage density of a basin. You can also calculate the drainage basin of the main stream, of stream order 1, of stream order 2. You can also divide this sub basin into different sub basins and calculate the stream order of different sub basins. In this way, you can calculate your stream density, and by stream frequency you can calculate by Fs is equals to Nu by area. Nu is the stream numbers. By adding the stream numbers, you can also find the stream numbers by, this is the stream numbers. By adding the stream numbers, you can calculate the This is my stream number, and by dividing with the area you can calculate the stream frequency. In this way you can calculate the stream frequency. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe and share my channel for my upcoming videos.